Namaskaram, everyone. Welcome to Philosophy Malayalam again, and today I'm going to react to the most requested and recommended song. Like it's been while in our list to react on. So today I'm finally going to react to it. It's a song from Abhilasham. It's the song's name is Thattatil. Thattatil. I don't know what does it mean. And yeah, I think it's a romantic song. And I don't know when the last time we reacted to a romantic song. And oh, I remembered there we got a lot of hate also like in that song because we laughed because we are not very good with romantic songs. So let's see if uh this song uh I don't know. I feel stupid when I watch romantic movies. I don't know why. I feel like I want to laugh it out. Like I don't know why. I feel so cringy and all. But yeah. But Premam I really loved. I don't know why. I know why. It's a good movie, so I loved it. So guys, let's start. Abhilasham song Tattatil. Let's start.
ഷിറിൻ ഷിറിനല്ലേ? ആ ആ അഭിലാഷേട്ടൻ
Sharon
പറയുന്നേ
അല്ലേ?
ആണോ? നിങ്ങളെപ്പോഴാ വന്നേ?
ഞാൻ 2 ദിവസമായി.
Oh, he's
അഭിലാഷേട്ടാ
Abhilachata. Oh, crush. Oh, oh.
തട്ടത്തില് തക്കത്തില്
Oh,
തന്നിട്ട് പോയതെന്ത് തഞ്ചത്തില് തഞ്ചത്തില് നെഞ്ചിൽ
the voice is very sweet.
തുറന്നിട്ട് പഞ്ചാരച്ചാക്കുട
Panjara is sweet, na?
തട്ടിമറിച്ചിട്ട് തക്കത്തില് തട്ടത്തില്
Oh, this girl is pretty.
പോയതെന്ത്
Look at him. Young, dumb, and stupid in love. Oh, oh, it's an old time story now.
പാരില് മാറിവിൽ
Oh,
പൂക്കണ ചേലില്
this girl is very pretty. She'll be superstar in future.
മാറിലേ മുറിയില് പിരാന്തു
Not even studying this guy. Where are the teachers?
മുട്ടിട്ട് നിക്കണ മനതാരിൻ മുറ്റത്തെ
Oh, the song is so sweet.
ആരാപ്പേരും മോന്തിട്ട് ആടിക്കുഴഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് ആനന്ദ നൃത്തത്തിൽ ആറാടും പൂമ്പാറ്റ
Mhm.
യാത്തിരം മുന്നേ ആടലും പാടലുമായി
Control, boy, control. Oh, is he writing love letter? Oh,
മറ്റന്നാളെ എളാപ്പന്റെ കുട്ടിയുടെ
വിചാര.
മനസ്സിലാണ് ഈ വരണട്ടാ.
oh, too much in love. The girl is very pretty.
കാലിലെ ചെറുവിരൽ തുമ്പിൽ നിന്നൊരു വിറ ഉടലിലൂടടി
Baapre, he's too much in love. The girl is pretty.
കരളിലെ കാണാത്ത തേനീച്ചക്കൂട്ടില് കണ്ണിലെ കല്ലോണ്ടെറിഞ്ഞ ഞൊടിയില് മോഹത്തിൻ
know, he's finally writing.
ആവതില്ലായി ഏറെ പരവശനായ നെഞ്ചിൽ വിജാഗിരി തള്ളി തുറന്നിട്ട് പഞ്ചാര ചാക്കുകൾ തട്ടി മറിച്ചിട്ട് തഞ്ചത്തില് തഞ്ചത്തില്
Okay. I like the song. I like the song. But yeah, this boy looked like he is going to have some heartbreak. I don't know. I don't know if he's going to get heartbreak or something, but this looked like he is like madly in love with that girl. And yeah, the girl, the young girl was so pretty, so pretty. Like she had like very beautiful eyes and like beautiful smile as well. Like I really like she caught my eyes like and the boy like the young boy he played it so nice like uh he looks so sweet he looks so sweet and funny as well as and I don't know how this young people fall in love like when I was at this stage now I was 24 and 7 thinking about food like when my mom will come from her office and like she will bring me some chips and some other snacks at school also like what did like what did my mom cook at home like what will be my lunch that was all my thinking at that time like this guys see they are having thatta til panjara some word like they are having like full like he's creating drama for himself by by just uh, like he created the rain mara the boy please don't hate me guys please don't hate me but like the guy was so cutely stupid like he this young guy he was damn cute like when he was shirtless and all and suddenly she appeared and she was oh god yeah like yeah maybe some of you may relate to it. That's why you suggested me this song. Like I think all most of you have like faced like such kind of situation like when you were young and like you had crush on your neighbor and something like that. But the song, like the song was so good. Who is the singer? I like please suggest me please suggest me more song of him. Like his voice is so nice, so nice. I think I don't know if I have heard him in other songs, but yeah, tell me, suggest me more songs of him. I really loved his voice. Like it was so soothing, so soothing. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching till here and bye bye. Vendum Kanam.